Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. The creator shows how to convert any video file, e.g. MKV, into an MP4 format on a computer. So let's get started. Open a browser like Chrome. Search for VLC Media Play. And download it from the official site video-lawn.org. After download finishes, run the installer and follow setup steps, then open VLC. In VLC, click Media, Convert/Save, and add your video file, then hit Convert/Save. Make sure Convert is selected, and pick H.264 plus MP3 MP4 as the profile to ensure the output is MP4. You can click the wrench icon to customize. For example, keep the original audio track under audio codec. Select where to save the converted file. Name it and make sure the extension ends with .mp4. Click Start and watch the progress bar. Longer videos take longer to convert. The new MP4 file appears alongside the original, same length, showing a successful conversion. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. I hope this guide was useful for you. If it helped, make sure to hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you can catch more tips and tricks in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.